Hi, I've created an MCP server using an open source repository which gives access Claude desktop app to our Google Search Console data. So basically, if I go to Google Search Console data here, and here you can see in the Google Search Console there are some data like performance, indexing. Similarly, there are a lot of other data. Now this data Claude can access it through our MCP server. Now this is the open source repository that I have used. This creates an MCP server for the Claude desktop app to access the Google Search Console data. Now the Google Search Console data comes from this project. It is called GSC AI that I have created in Google Cloud Console. So I've created this service account. This account has access to this Google Search Console data. I'll quickly show you in the settings. In the permissions here you can see this one. It has access to all the data for lead walnut as well as code walnut. Now this has access to, and this exposes that data to our server that I have created in my local. This is a server that I've created, and this Claude, we have added one configuration. Show you that configuration. Now this is the Claude app, desktop app folder. Here I have added a configuration folder. I will quickly show you what it has. So here we have written that there is MCP servers, and that server name is GSC server, and to run the server this is the command. Okay, and that this is the argument, and this is the file that is needed to access the GCP Google Search Console data. Now once you add these things and you follow the steps properly given in the repository, here everything is written here, you should be able to the Claude should be able to access the data directly here. Now see, here you can see I've written here, create a visual performance overview of codewalnut.com for last 90 days and identify any unusual drops and spikes and explain the possible causes. So first Claude was checking that does it has access to or not. Once it got confirmation that it has access, it pulled some data, pulled some more data, then it analyzed the data and started creating a visual performance overview. So this thing what you see is written by Claude in React. So it is written in React and using recharts. See here, and this is the website. Here it shows daily traffic trends, impression trends. Here you can see, and top page. The top page is React with backend with 2000 clicks, and Git rebase tutorial with 666 clicks. Similarly, it shows lot of other insights: total clicks, total impression, CTR, a lot of other things. So you can tell Claude AI to, you can ask anything, like in the second conversation if I show you, give me the URL with highest CTR in codewalnut.com, and here you can see it has given, which is the home page, and the second one is this one, 10 best Next.js plugins and extensions with 3.84 CTR and 44 clicks. That's it. Thank you.